Hello, my name is Vishwanath and my registration number is URK19CS1153. In this video, we are going to learn about database management system. Our first exercise is data definition language commands. In this exercise, we are going to learn our basic commands to create, alter and delete the dataset. My first question is created table customer details with the following specification. We have to create the table using this create table command and name it as customer details. To create a table, we have to give command create table and the table name, that is customer details, of a first row first column name, that is customer id, and a number of 5, constraint of not null. Likewise, we have to give we have to create all the rows like customer last name varchar 2 of 20, constant of not null. And for a customer mid name varchar 2 of 4, we have to leave it as empty for constraint. For first name varchar 2 of 20, for account number number of 5 and constant primary key. For account type varchar 2 of 10, constant not null. Bank branch varchar 2 of 25, constant not null. Customer email varchar of 230, constant not null. After executing this command, we have to check the output by using DESC and the table name, that is DESC customer details. Here it will be printed. After, if it is successfully executed, then this table will be printed. My second question is add a new column contact phone to the customer details table. So we have to add the contact phone column to the customer details table. To alter the table, to modify the table, we have to use the command alter table name, that is customer details, add the new column, that is contact phone, and the number of 10. This is the size of the number. After executing it, we have to check the output, so that DESC customer details. See, we can see that here the new column has been modified, that is contact phone and number of 10. Our third question is modify the size of contact phone. We have to modify the size of contact phone to 12. Same as the before question, we have to alter table customer details, modify contact phone and number of 12. We have to modify the 10 to 12. So here we can see that the number has been updated to 12. My fourth question is add a not null constant to the contact phone using the alter command. As I said before, to modify the any column or any table, we have to use command alter table customer details, modify the contact phone number of 12. We have to add constant, that is not null. After executing the command, we have to check the output using DESC customer details. See, the constant has been added to the contact phone, that is not null. My fifth question is add a unique constant on the contact phone column. Here we have to add unique constant to the contact phone, like alter table customer details, modify contact phone number of 12, constant AA underscore B, that unique. This is the new one we have been adding, and we have to check the output like DESC customer details. We cannot see the output. My question number 6 is add a check constant to check whether the customer ID between 101 and 105. We have to check the customer ID must be between 101 and 105. We have to use the command alter table customer details, modify cust ID number of 5, constant AA B underscore C. Here we have to add check, that is check of cust ID between 101 and 105. We are not able to see the output in the following data. My question number 7 is drop the primary key constant on the account number column. We have to delete the constant for the account number column. We have for that we have to use alter table customer details drop command to delete any constant or any data from the data set, that is drop constant NBC. After executing the output has been, we can see that account number has been account number constant has been deleted or removed. As we see before, account number has a not null constant. After executing this command, we will not able to see the not null constraint. My eighth question is truncate the table customer details. For this we have to use command truncate table customer details. After executing that command, we have to check output using DESC customer details. Ninth question is drop the table customer details. Means we have to delete the whole customer details table. For that, we have to give command drop space table customer underscore details. After executing that, we have to check the output using DESC customer details. If the table was deleted, like we will see that object customer details does not exist. Thank you.